Alright guys, so I did paint a evaporation line, or more or less this tank is going to sit next to my recliner, and it's going to be a little higher, and I don't want the light blaring down on me. So what I did do is I did paint about a 2-inch black strip down the tank to just block the light, because the spray bar is going to be in there. I am going to run a little lower level in this tank, and I just don't want to see it. So, alright, got the light on. You can see I painted that drop down strip just because it sits a little higher than I'll be sitting, and I definitely don't want to be looking at the bulb. So, pretty happy with that. A lot of water spots. Substrate. Tippy girl. Alright, there's the dislike tank. This is my 10-gallon blue bolt tank, which will be converted to the 20 long. This here is the 20 long rack. Blocking myself from these guys. They're hungry. Okay, on this 20 long, I'm going to run a corner filter. So got me a little aqua top, pump, clear tubing, converted that to PVC, and then down to a cap. On the PVC line, I did drill quite a few little holes, about every 2 inches, all the way down. So I'm going to get this in there and I'll show you it working. Alright guys, hope you can see what I'm doing here. Slide the light out of the way. So what I did is I ran the spray bar through the sponge pad. Put it down there. So that notches in right behind the first brace. And then you fish the other side in. Sitting good. Pump just hangs down in there. And spray bar. I siliconed a aquarium heater bracket to the back of this tank. Got my spray bar. Got my filter. Pumps in there. Turn you around so you can see the other side. Okay, you can see you got the second cup holding the end of the spray bar. Just cut a hole through the corner filter, ran my bar, got the 90, pump down in there. That's the inside. Got the corner filter. Alright guys, 88 oil is gonna go in. Rascal sleeping. Alright guys, this is a long overdue unboxing from Rachel O'Leary. She sent me some lava rock. She did the aquascape on her channel, and alright, there's my shipment. This was, I believe, a $60 box of lava rock. Great deal, great color, really porous. It'll be really, really good in the shrimp tank. So if you need any substrate, I would definitely go through her. Alright, so I got it half full. Got this little dust cloud going on in the water and a whole bunch of nasty gunk coming off the rocks. Got the tank filled. It's still really cloudy. Gonna leave this whisper on all night long. See if it'll clear it up by morning.